Welcome to Motorcycle Adventure USA. On this segment, Asbury Park, New Jersey, home of Bruce Springsteen, Bon Jovi, and a lot of great musicians. All right, there's the bike. I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around, of course, just to let you know that I rode down there today. Excuse me while I go into my saddlebag here for a second. Get my stuff together for the boardwalk. And there's a shot of the boardwalk right there. This restaurant is not open at the time, but up there you can see the concerts at the Stone Pony. Of course, it's quite a ways away. This is the back wall of the pony, and where that container is out there, that's where the big stage usually is. This is the back of the Stone Pony. That's where the bar is, and that building there. And once again, the concert's back there by the containers where they have the stage. So come on out to the Stone Pony. There's a lot of room out back. Have a lot of great groups. And again, right inside there, there's a big, huge bar. All right, let's take a stroll around the corner. You have to excuse my camera till I get my new GoPro 360. So I'll have a lot of great footage coming up in the future. Big letters on the side, the Stone Pony. That's the main entrance. As you walk in, that's where they take your tickets. The bar off to the left. Stage off to the right. As you come around the corner, that's where you can walk up to the window and buy tickets. Right here. And they're on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Plenty of room to park. All right, let's take a walk across the street to the boardwalk, directly across from the pony. There's another shot of the pony. It was a very foggy morning. A lot of fog roll in. And up to the famous Asbury Park Boardwalk. Down that end is the entrance from Ocean Grove. And you'll always hear music. Plenty of musicians busking on the boardwalk. As you can see, there's a guy with a guitar, and he had a drummer friend of his out there, and they were singing away. You can get a performer's pass if you want to busk on the Asbury Boardwalk. A nice little water park for the kids to go have fun. And that gives you some kind of idea how wide the beach is. Of course, with COVID, it's not taken care of as well as it would be otherwise. And there go the musicians off the boardwalk. See you later, dudes. I hope you made a lot of money. There's some people hanging out on the beach even though it's a little cold. Let's take a zoom in. And another musician, a drummer, out here playing his little heart away. Years old. Let's take a walk down on the beach. Normally, if it wasn't for COVID, this sand would not be here. This sand would be all brushed away and kept nice. All right, let's go down by the water. You could see how foggy it was on that day. And just out of the corner of my eye, I see this woman in the water and one coming out of the water. Oh, you know that's cold, baby. That water's probably about 40 degrees right now. It's really excellent down here in the summer. I really suggest anybody that likes the beach, come on down and party in Asbury Park. There's a lot of great places, a lot of great music going on down in Asbury, as you're probably aware. Southside Johnny is another artist. The Weaklings, just incredible talent. Oh, there's a high five. Yeah, I'd be high-fiving too if I just got out of 40-degree weather. Oh no. Oh, heck no. All right, here we are back up at the boardwalk. All the shops and restaurants. They seem to be doing pretty well during the pandemic. This is all new within the last 10 years or so. All right, and there's Tim McClune's Supper Club. So if you want a dinner and a show, Tim McClune's Supper Club is the place to go. A lot of famous musicians have walked through that door. And the Robinson Ale House all in one. And this is Tim McClune's. Just a beautiful place. Tim McClune owns about 4 restaurants, I believe, on the Jersey Shore. All wonderful places. Tim is a keyboardist, and although he never really had to want for anything in his life, he has given back so much by doing charity work and playing for different charities and raising all kinds of money, hiring musicians and never taking pay himself. Just a wonderful cat, and I love that place. And this is the Paramount Theater. So this is the theater where they have shows also. National and regional acts at the Paramount. This was all recently remodeled. The entranceway. And there's some shops in there. We'll go in there. This is also a big bar off to the left where everybody hangs out outside, drinks. The place is partying. There's always music coming from there. All right, let's see what's going on at the Paramount, if anything, during COVID. Convention Hall. Asbury Band-Aid, all wonderful musicians and artists coming together to raise money for local musicians that aren't working. Asbury Park is a real tight community, especially with the musicians, and they do all kinds of great things for each other. We take care of our own. All right, let's go into Convention Hall here. Some great little shops. Always fantastic artwork and stuff around. Seahorse Restaurant is located in this section. There's an advertisement for the Wonder Bar, another famous Asbury Park bar that we'll get to in a little while. And don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified when we come out with another video. We're just kicking this channel off. I say I am just kicking this channel off here. And starting with some cool attractions right near where I live. Wonder Bar. Christine Martucci, she's fantastic. Off here to the right is the Seahorse Restaurant. And out the back end of Convention Hall, and that's kind of where the boardwalk just becomes just boardwalk and beach. Not many attractions, not anything really past there. Some nice murals. We have a lot of great artists down here. And I saw this lady with this dog, and she's like pulling it, like, come on. Like, and we're going to walk back in, so that's about it. That's Convention Hall. And that dog actually almost bit my hand. And so that wasn't too pleasant. No wonder, the dog was probably mad. She was yanking on that chain. I'd be mad too. All right, again, Tim McClune's and the Ale House. I can't say enough about Tim McClune. He is just a wonderful person that always just gives back and gives. What a wonderful guy. All right, there's the famous Wonder Bar, where you can always catch more great entertainment. Let's take a walk across the street. And these windows on the side here, they open up like gates, and it's like you're outside, but you're inside, if you can get my gist. Back down that way is the big stage. And the Wonder Bar always has some cool things. They have a yappy hour where they have all dogs. So it says bring your furry little buddy and come on out. So you could bring your dog and you can sit down and have some brews and listen to some music. Excellent place. Right behind this window is the kitchen where you could look in and see what they're cooking. Hey, good looking, what's cooking? Hey. And this is out back. They have a little area for people that just want to be out back. All right, let's check out the Yappy Hour. All the dogs outside are saying, let me in, I want to go in, I want to go. That's still all the area that they have there for Yappy Hour. Nice. And across the street from that, luxury condos. Right across from the ocean. So if you got $1 million or so, you can live right here. All right, let's go check out some of the prices. I think I'll buy two. One for me and one for my kids. Better yet, maybe a duplex penthouse from $3 million. Starting at $3 million. And it's right across the street from the restroom. So in case for $3 million they don't give you a bathroom, you can come down and run across the street. Isn't that something? Always bikes riding around. And we have the Pinball Hall of Fame and all kinds of stuff down here. So Silver Ball or whatever it's called. I don't know, but it's a really cool pinball place. And video arcade. And there's one other place that I did want to point out. And that should be coming up soon. And that's the Langosta Lounge. The Langosta Lounge is a very, very small place. It kind of reminds me of something that you would see in New York City. Just a long hallway. And they also have incredible entertainment. And there it is, the Langosta Lounge. And we just made one big loop. Now we're back at the water park. And coming up will be the Stone Pony. As you can see on the right. And here is the famous musician's entrance right there. That's where all the musicians come in. They bring their stuff. Go off to the right, backstage. And the big building in the far end is a carousel. A wonderful carousel. Great spot for kids. that's about it. We're back here at the Pony. And that's the main strip. That's where most stuff goes on. Although there is one more block behind the Stone Pony where there's a restaurant row where you can get all kinds of great food back there. So you don't have to go on the boardwalk in order to get food. Wonderful restaurants and hotels. That's the restaurant off to the left where you can see the shows up on the deck. And that's the building where the carousel is right there. And it's a round building, so I guess you can't miss it. And once again, back at the bike. Well, hope you enjoyed this video and you got a good sense of what Asbury Park is all about. If you're in the area, definitely come down and party down here in Asbury with us. Once again, Motorcycle Adventure USA. We got plenty of videos coming up. Stick around, don't go anywhere. Got a lot of great things in the future. Peace.